Jaya Giri Govardhan, Jaya Giri Govardhan. So it's my invitation to all of you, come and join me at Sri Sri Giri Govardhan. Yesterday, as we mentioned, that we would be doing the Govardhan Parikrama and visiting the important places around Giriraj Govardhan. So to begin with, let me take you to the place from where Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would start his Parikrama. So this place is known as Manasi Ganga. Once it so happened that Krishna and Balaram with other cowherd boys, they were playing, and there was one of the demon's name was Vitasur. He came in the form of a calf and he hid in the herd which Krishna Balaram was taking along with them. And Krishna, of course, he identified and he indicated Balaram that, that is not our calf, that's a demon. And Krishna goes there and he just held that demon with his leg and he twisted and turned and swirled. And in the air itself, he lost his life air. That is how this demon was killed. And by that time, Radharani along with her Sakhis came. And they saw that Krishna had killed a calf. And they were like, oh my God, what a sinner you are. We will not talk to you. Stay away from us. And Krishna started explaining that this is a demon. This is not a calf. So Radharani was like, whatever, it came in the form of a calf. So for us, it is a calf and you have killed a calf. So we will not talk to you. So then Krishna asked, okay, so then what should I do? What is my prayashchit? Radharani said, you have to go to Ganga, take a dip there, and then you may be purified. Krishna replied, okay, is that it? And then he started meditation, and in his meditation, he invoked the presence of Mother Ganga. So that is how the name is Manasi Ganga, the Ganga which has originated from the mind of Supreme Lord. Now talking about the potency and the power of this river. So imagine that Ganga in which we go and take dip, and that Ganga has touched the foot of Vamanadev and it has come down and it falls on the head of Lord Shiva, and that makes it so potent. So imagine that Ganga, if the Ganga had to come from the mind of the Supreme Lord, instead of his toe, it is from his mind. And Vamandev is an incarnation or an expansion of Krishna. Here Swayam Bhagwan Krishna has invoked this Ganga. So how powerful and potent this Mother Ganga is. So that is Manasi Ganga. And this Manasi Ganga is actually the place of innumerable pastime. Nauka Vihar, the boat pastimes. I'll tell you one such pastime. So once Radharani and all her Sakhis, they reached Manasi Ganga. They had to cross the Ganga. So there was one boatman, an old boatman, just one boat was there. So they negotiated and the boatman said, okay, you will give me some of your curd and butter, what you are taking to sell to the other side. If you'll give me some portion of it, then I'll take you to the other side. And they agreed. There was a deal which was struck. And then they sat down and then the boat started to move. After a while, there was a turbulence in the boat. And this boatman, he said that actually there is some problem in the boat. There is a hole in the boat. And the boat is sinking. The water is coming in. So what you have to do is you please throw all your pots of ghee, butter, milk, whatever is there in Ganga. Otherwise, immediately the boat will sink. So the gopis, simple cowherd girls, they became very scared and they started throwing all what they had. The boat went for a little while and again there was a turbulence. And this time, this boatman said, you throw all your heavy ornaments which you are wearing. Because of that, the boat is sinking now. And they were so scared and then they started throwing their jewelry in the water. And the boat continued. And after a while, again this boatman, he again came up with a complaint and he said, now you have to throw your clothes in the river. By this time, the gopis were like, what is happening? What's wrong with this person? And they ran towards him like to grab him. And they said that we will throw you into the Ganga and everything will be balanced. So saying like that, they ran towards him. And that was a time when they realized that there was a flute which this boatman was hiding. So then they recognized this is Krishna. And then Krishna accepted his mistake. And then there was a sweet boat ride ahead. So pastimes like this and so many other pastimes happen in this Manasi Ganga. So whenever we go, please take darshan of Manasi Ganga. Also on the bank of Manasi Ganga, like just adjacent to it, is a very, very old temple of Haridev. So this Haridev, again gopis, when they were doing Ras Leela with Krishna, and Krishna suddenly disappeared, and they were so anxious, and in their anxiety they were calling out, Haridev, Haridev, Haridev. And by their calling out, Krishna appeared in this form of Haridev. So that temple is there. The deities are 5,000 years old, because Vrajnabh has got constructed these deities also, who resembles just like Krishna. So Manasi Ganga and Haridev. Hare Krishna.